So there's the code that I'm in for if anybody wants to join. The code, you can play in that code. Anyways, on to the video. Okay. So today we're playing this map. There we go. Waiting for the map to load. Okay. No. So we're just gonna be playing parkour using the virtual stump thing. Yes. What's this? Oh, dang it. Dang it. So close, yet so far. No. No! Oh my gosh, bro. Come on. Yes. No. Yes. 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 Let's go. We might actually win. No. Yes. Yes. No! Damn it. Oh. I'm eating something right now. Okay. Damn it. Damn it. Come on. Yes. No. Yes. 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 No. You know? I jumped. Come on. Yes. Yes. Win. Yes, I won. I'm good at mountains. I swear I'm good at mountains. Damn it. What just happened? No. No. Yes. No. No. Screwing it. Bro, why is this taking forever? No. I keep screwing it up. Okay, 3, 2, 1. No. I ate the rest of your salad, so then I could have a breakfast for tomorrow because the salad was giant. Could feed a family of 5. What the heck was that sentence? I don't know. I just made it up in my head. Come on. No. Nope. Wait a minute. What if I could cheat the system? Is this not slippery? No, it is. Could I maybe? Yes. No. Yes. Wait, I cheated the system, but it didn't let me go. Shoot. Nope. I'm gonna cheat the system again. Yes, I know, yet again. I cheated the system. But like, you can't expect me not. How is this taking me so long? Right there. Yes, let's go, I won. No. Please. Theoretically speaking, I could go onto this glass here. Nope. I can't. They thought of that when they were designing the game, I guess. No! No! I was so close! No! Ooh. Parkour trick shot. Damn it. Why did it make me slide off? Brick. What? Damn it. Wait. Yes. 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 No! No! You know, I will beat this parkour course if it's the last thing I do. No. Keep failing. No, okay. Maybe I won't, because it's getting pretty late right now, and I don't really want to be recording for past my bedtime, so yeah. No. Yes. Yes. No. Okay. Next video, I'm gonna play Animal Company. I have played the game before. Actually, I played it a lot. It's actually probably like my favorite game. That's right. Animal Company. The most high quality Gorilla Tag horror game is my favorite game instead of Gorilla Tag. Okay, no, we're just gonna make a part 2 to this later when I'm actually awake. Yeah, because I'm barely keeping my eyes open.